Welcome to part 2 of this series of tutorials on generating searchable keywords and using subject headings and subject terms. When carrying out research in library catalogs, databases, or online, you need to begin with a set of keywords based on the major concepts of your research topic. I'll demonstrate this with a sample research question. Does too much screen time have a negative effect on the cognitive development of young people? Let's break this down into major concepts. These are screen time, cognitive development, and young people. You will want to come up with as many synonymous or similar keywords as you can. To do this, it can help to brainstorm or mind map each concept. For example, with the term screen time, I might want to think about the different kinds of screen time a young person might experience, including passive and active activities. Passive screen time could include such activities as watching television or videos, whereas active screen time could include activities such as playing games, using apps, or chatting. I can create similar mind maps for my terms cognitive development and young people. Eventually, I will use these mind maps to come up with a narrower research question, and in turn more specific keywords. For example, I might finally decide to focus on how video games affect the cognitive development of children. My more focused set of keywords could include video games, or computer games, or gaming, cognitive skills, or cognitive function, or cognitive ability, child, or school child. Here's another tip. You should avoid using value-laden adjectives such as negative or positive. This type of word doesn't tell you very much about your research topic and may even serve to generate biased search results. In the next video, I'll demonstrate examples of keyword and subject heading searches in library catalogs.